In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Privado VPN app. By updating your Privado VPN app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this VPN. You'll also be able to fix any errors that might be associated with the app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, you need to search for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Play Store here, then using the search bar, just search for the app by name. So I'll search for Privado VPN like that, and then tap on it. And as you can see, we have an update here. This means I've been using an outdated version of this app. So to update it, just tap on update. And this will download the latest version of Privado VPN and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, now you can proceed and open from here or go to your apps to launch it. So that's how you can get the latest version of Privado VPN app by updating it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.